Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about trigonometry. So now I want to show you how to answer. From a point due south of a tower, we have a man observes the angle of elevation of the top of the tower, that is about 60 degrees. Then he walks 60 meters due west on the horizontal plane. So we can observe that the angle that is about 30 degrees. We need to find the height and initial distance from the tower. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to draw about x, y, z. So this is for z, this is for y, and this is for x. Let's say we have x that is about the south. So that means this one should be about north. This one that is about east. This is about west. Let's say we have a man. A man they stay in the center in here. And we have the tower in the south, because on the question due south of the tower. So he is the top of the tower. He is about the man in here. So the angle of elevation, that is about 60 degrees. So from this man to the top of the tower in here, we have 60 degrees. Now the next one, the man walks 60 meters due west. That means the man in here, they go to this location on the left, because that's it for the west. So we have new location. So let's say I select this point here. Now the next one, from this man to the top of the tower in here, we have the angle of this one, that is about 30 degrees. So we need to find the height and the initial distance. That means about this one in here, and the height, that is this one in here. So I will put from this one to the man, that is about x. The height of the tower, that is about y. So we know that from new location, this one in here, that is about 60 meters. We know that I will highlight about the blue color. If we look on this blue color in here, this one we have a right angle. That means if we want to find the red color in here on the right, we can use about Pythagorean theorem. So we have x, we have 60 meters in this location. We can find the value of this one. So that should be about a square equals to s square plus 60 square. So we put the square root for the both sides, and we have like this. So on the next one, I will highlight about the purple. So if we look on this purple color in here, we see that this is about one right triangle. And in this one we have x and y, we have 60 degrees. So in this one we can use about tan alpha, that is about opposite divided by adjacent. So the opposite we just put that is about y. Adjacent that is about x. And this one that is about 60 degrees. Now we can do similar for the red triangle. We have one right angle in here. So in this one, 8 that is about this one in here. Y that is about the value we just put. And I will put about 10, 30 degrees. So that should be about opposite. That is about y over adjacent. That is about 8. So we can use about the ratio. That is about tan 60 degrees. We divide by tan 30 degrees. So 60 we have y over x. This one we have y over the square root of x squared. Plus this one we have 3600. And now we simplify y and y. So we just have this one will go in here. So we calculate this one and this one. So later that we can find the value of x. So tan 60 that is about the square root of number 3. Tan 30 that is about the square root of number 3 over number 3. So I will put this one go in here. Now we need to simplify the numbers. That should be about number 3. And now I will put s go to the left. Now we put the power number 2 for the both sides to cancel the square root. This one we have 9s squared plus s squared, equal s squared plus 3600. We put this one go to the left. 9 minus 1. We have number 8. We divide by number 8. So this one we have 450. Now we need to find the value of x. We need to select the positive number because the length cannot be about negative numbers. This one we have 15 with the square root of number 2 meters. After we got the value of x in here, we can find the value of y. So we can use the formula of this one in here. So after we got value of x, we can find the value of y. And this is the final answer. And that is about 15 with the square root of number 6 meters. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.